Lindsay and Successor, and today I'll talk about life cycle of a bird. A life cycle of a bird always starts with an egg. In the egg, there are embryo and mother. The egg gets bigger, and inside the egg, the chicks eat the yolk inside the egg. Then, for 21 days, the egg will hatch to a chick, and it grows and it becomes a hatchling. A hatchling is when the chick is hatching, and this chick uses the beak to get food on the ground, and this hatchling turns into a chick. A chick is a baby bird that it learn to fly, and then also it learn to get the food. When it's grown more, it's turned to an adult bird. Adult birds, they get the worms for their baby, and they also fly in the west